Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to private all Facebook posts at once. So if you want to make all your Facebook posts to private, then this video is absolutely for you, and you guys can do this in very easy and quick steps. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to just simply open up Facebook and make sure that you are using the latest version of Facebook. So after that, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of three horizontal lines or your profile icon. Then your menu will be appear. Now here in the menu, you guys have to just scroll down, and here you have to just simply search for settings and privacy. Here it is. You have to just simply click on it, and it will provide you a drop down menu. Here in this drop down menu, click on settings. So after clicking on settings, your Facebook setting will be appear to you. Now here you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find the activity log. So you guys can see here is an activity log. You guys have to just simply click on it. So after coming to activity log, you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find the option which is manage post. So you guys have to just simply drop down this menu, which is your activity, your Facebook activity. In the Facebook activity, you have to just simply click on manage post here. So after clicking on manage post, it will take some time and collecting all the posts from your Facebook. You guys can see it has opened all the posts from Facebook. So what you have to do is simply click on filter, and you guys can see there is no any way to do this. So you have to just simply scroll down. So after scrolling down, let me take see a second. So you guys can see by just clicking on this post icon, you have to just simply click on your post and photos and videos. You have to simply click on it. So after clicking on that, you have to just simply wait for a while. It is collecting your all posts. You guys can see here it is all your Facebook post has opened to you. Now what you have to do is simply click on this all. So after checking mark to this all section, it will select all your Facebook post. So just take a second. So you guys can see you have to simply click on this all section to select all the posts. Now you have to simply select the three dots, and here in the three dots you have to simply click on the last option, which is change audience, and simply click on change audience and simply select the only me, which is last. So after selecting to only me, your all Facebook posts will be sent to private, and you guys can only see the your post which you have posted, else no one can see this post. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.